Jesus, teach me day by day what I have to do and say. Make me gentle, kind, and good. Make me loving as I should. Amen. Good morning to you. Good morning, you teacher. Good morning, classmates. The weather today, sunny day. Tell me the weather today is a sunny day. Again, tell me the weather today is a sunny day.
Oh, yun tula mo. Red.
Red. What is red? The apple is red, juicy and sweet, nice to eat. Blue. What is blue? Sky is blue. The bird so high, the birds can fly. Ito, blue.
Yellow.
Yellow. What is yellow? The sun is yellow, shining so bright. Give us one.
Lakasan mo.
So yellow to.
Ah, yes. Very good. Oh, green.
Green. What is green? The grass is green. The animal's food is very good.
Yay! Clap your hands. What's your name?
I will mix pa nilina ng intaw.
Walang mengintal. Ang pangalan, Daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah?
Lebon.
Very good. What will you say to Daddy?
Daddy,
Hi.
I love you.
Biso mo siya. Say
Bye.
hi.